Hey everybody, this is old Bob, the Wide-Eye UP Railroad and Long Shadows Model Trees. Remember to order those trees, keeps this railroad going. I appreciate it. But today I just wanted to show you something. A good friend of mine and a good friend of all yours out there, John Tanzillo, or Nizo. I probably messed up his last name, can never say it right. But John, he made me a few things, and what he made me was some 3D printed cars. And this is a gondola he made, not a gondola. But and he did a really good job. And I've took the cars and I weathered some up and stuff like that, and I'm just going to show you. So hang on for a minute and I'll just show you here. Okay, what I want to show you is the cars here. He made me a few gondolas, and he made me a few flat cars. If you can see the flat cars there, I'm trying to get the light. And I've already weathered them up and put some trucks on them, and put some decals on some stuff like that, and they just turned out perfect. I have one that's all beat up. You can see this one here, and I got one that's pretty good, and I got one on the bench that's like a new one. But anyways, I appreciate John for doing that. But he did all that, and plus I got we had a little train show up here in Tehachapi, and I got some cars. I got a FMC Corporation car there. I still got to put some couplers on it, and I got a shipper's line. And over on the other side here, let me pan. Get my screen work again. Okay. We got a flat car there, and pan over here. And if you can see over there, we got a hopper car Golf that I did some weathering on, cement powder. The other thing that I wanted to show you I got was I finally got my F7s, and it's an ABA unit, and all I gotta do now is start collecting cars for them. But they run sweet, they're Katos, and they run good. Anyhow, let me turn this light off. Okay. Anywho, I thought I'd just make a quick video, show you what I got. Not much has changed on the layout. And I've been working on some lights, of course, trying to get everything ready. But anyways, I just want to thank John for those cars. This is old Bob, the Wide-Eye UP Railroad, saying bye for now. And I just wanted to show you that, make a quick video and show you what I got. So we'll see you later, and God bless. And like I say, please hit that subscribe button and that bell to get more videos when they come up, when I make them. And anyways, we'll see you on down the rails. Bye for now. Okay, well here's the other one on the workbench. You can see I did this one kind of so it'd be like a new car. I still got to put some decals on. I still got to paint the wooden deck on it. But anyways, I did pretty good. We got a little pipe load here. These are actually just nails that I'll paint up and drill, because the one thing about these cars, they're really light and they need a little bit of weight, so they'll track good. Now the flat cars, I'll probably have to figure out something. I'll have to change loads. But anyways, just brought a little part 2 here. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.